Good morning students. Today we are going to learn the different user interfaces available for interaction with the computer system. Okay. Before that we will recall our earlier learning. Look at these images. What are these images representing? These all are popular operating system from different vendors. We need operating system to manage all the resources present in a computer. Either it may be a printer, or it may be a monitor, or it may be a mouse, keyboard. So whatever the devices, all the hardware and the softwares which you have installed in your computer system is controlled by the operating system. And operating system also acts as an interface between the user and your computer. These are the different types of operating system, and today the main objective of our class is to learn what is user interface. User interface allows a user to communicate with the computer such that you can easily interact with each and every component present in your computer. So there are two different types of user interface. One is graphical user interface and another one is character user interface or command line user interface. So first of all we will discuss what is character user interface. It is actually a text based interface. Text in the sense, if you want to interact, that is if you want to give some instruction to the computer, you have to use the text. You have to type some words, type some keywords. That's why it is called as character user interface or command line user interface. Based on the command you have feed into a system, it will respond to you and it will do the specific task for you. It is not user friendly. It is not user friendly. You have to remember all the commands. Without remembering all such commands, you can't work with the computer. You can't ask a computer to do some task for you. So it is very difficult to remembering all such commands. That's why it is not a very user friendly interface. Some popular examples of user interface are MS-DOS operating system, Microsoft Disk operating system, and also Unix. These are all the two popular character user interface. To overcome this difficulty, that is remembering all the commands and you have to depend on all the commands, no. So to overcome this difficulty, graphical user interface was introduced. This interface is having icons, windows, menus, so that due to this graphical representation, it is very easy for the user to interact with the system. Even the user don't need any prior knowledge. Without any prior knowledge, if he or she could read English words, then it is easy for him to interact with the computers. And a special pointing device called a mouse is used for interact with the system. Earlier in character user interface we used keyboard, yes, but now we used mouse as an interface. That's an advantage of graphical user interface. It is easier to use, it is faster to work, and it is graphics based, full of images, full of icons. You can visually interactive, and it is user friendly. What you see is what you get. And some disadvantages are also for GUI operating system, as it is working with the graphics. So it needs more storage space, you need a higher system configuration, and it is expensive, and it is a frequently changing environment. So you have to bear on this. Anyhow, it is user friendly, no? Yes. And the graphical user interface was used in old computers, whereas GUI is used in modern computers. You have to use keyboard to type or feed information, and you have to perform actions using mouse here. It is hard to navigate from one page to another page. It is easy to navigate from one page to another page. Yes. Here only text is used. Here graphics and images were used well. So with this, topic 1 is over. Next session we will start second topic. Thank you children.